Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. It's awesome that you're tuning in. But before we're going to start this review, I just want to point out Battletron is a product they are selling with the action that's in store based in Europe. So if you want to see a Dutch review, also having a Dutch channel where I'm doing these reviews, you can find them here. Nevertheless, let's start talking about the Battletron Mouse Pad with LED. Alright, so the first thing that I noticed with this thing, finding it with the action. By the way, I was fully surprised seeing this, and I always want to have a mouse with LED. So it comes with an USB, it's a micro USB. It's just basically for giving this, giving this thing some juice, and of course, the LED needs some juice. Otherwise, there is no way. So the first thing I just noticed with this device is that, or this mouse pad, it's just a regular mouse pad. I was first thinking, is it more like this piece of plastic? But no, it's just a mouse pad that has there's like a kind of a tube around it. That's very interesting. And what I noticed with this mouse pad, it weighs, by the way, very heavy. It's very thick, and it feels very good. The micro USB needs to be connected to your PC for giving the LED function. And we're having a little button, I'm guessing it's for swapping through the menu in different colors. Alright, so let's power on and let's see how does it work. First, let's put the micro USB in the mouse pad itself. Alright, I'm having my laptop out of screen, just saying it. And let's power it on. And this is what we're going to get. This looks really nice. Alright, let's tell you a little bit about the functionalities and how it looks amazing. Yeah, but alright, when pressing the button over here, you can switch between the colors. And as you can see, we have quite some different colors. So you can choose the color you really prefer. But also it has an option where you're going beyond the color selection. It goes to the fade in and fade out option. So that is pretty cool if you just want to have this Christmas tree as a mouse pad. And I must say, I really like this fade out, fade in, fade out, you know what I'm trying to say. And if you look at how it looks, it is very nice. Or if you just want to have a real Christmas tree, you can always use the fast switching through the color. Looks a little bit hypnotizing. But at the end, I think I'm just going to use this thing with only one color. Alright, so let's push again. I personally really prefer the red color because it's not that aggressive. And of course, we're going to try it out with the Battletron mouse. I'm going to give you a little overview how this is going to look when you buy both products. Alright, so this is how it looks if you buy both products. You can also of course buy the cheap version, for example. Let's make this combination just because I can. And as you can see, it looks very cool. So if you want to upgrade your mouse pad and you want to create this Christmas tree of a mouse pad and mouse, ta-da! Here it is. And it's pretty cheap. So at the end, I think it's a pretty cool result. I'm very happy with the mouse pad, simply because also when moving around on it, it feels quite nice, and it's something that is very important, of course. Right, so let's try a little bit of Quake. And what I'm noticing is that it feels very nice. Funny thing is, previously I was always using a very cheap Chinese mouse pad, but I totally underestimated this. It gives a very nice, accurate sliding of the mouse. I like it. Alright, let's play a little bit. It has been a very long time. And I just want to say I'm first using the very cheap mouse. Just want to play a little bit with it. Alrighty, so let's try the professional gaming mouse from Battletron. And let's see how this works. And again, I don't know if you're using a mouse pad or you're thinking buying a mouse pad like this, but I think it's a very cool upgrade. Not only because the LEDs are pretty awesome, but it is more like if you're playing these games, especially when you're having these cheaper optical mouses, you need a very good, let's say, underground for having the best performance. at the end, if you look at this mouse pad, it's pretty cool. It's not very expensive, and if you like all the LEDs and the bling bling, I think this can be a very cool thing for your gaming or gaming peripheral collection. So let me know what you think of this. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell, become one of the Wicked family, and don't miss out any new videos.